In this video, we'll break down the key features, pros, and cons of Freshdesk versus HubSpot Service Hub to help you decide which is the best help desk software for your business. We'll take a critical look at both, and by the end, you'll know which one really stands out for your customer service needs. But stick around because we'll also reveal a powerful alternative that might just be the solution you've been searching for. Freshdesk has long been a popular choice for businesses looking for an easy-to-use, feature-packed help desk platform. One of its strongest points is its ticketing system, which is intuitive and highly customizable. Whether you're dealing with email tickets, social media inquiries, or phone support, Freshdesk offers a unified inbox to manage all customer interactions in one place. Plus, it has automation rules that help streamline repetitive tasks like ticket assignments and follow-ups. However, the learning curve can be steep if you're new to help desk tools, and some of its features, especially the reporting, are only available on higher tier plans. HubSpot Service Hub, on the other hand, focuses on creating a seamless experience for customers and agents alike. Its integration with the HubSpot CRM makes it easy to track customer interactions and support tickets in a single system. HubSpot also has a ticketing system, but it's more basic than Freshdesk's, lacking some of the deep customization options Freshdesk offers. That said, HubSpot shines when it comes to its knowledge base and customer feedback tools, which are all included in its free tier. However, while it's great for small to medium-sized businesses, large enterprises might find HubSpot's advanced features lacking. Next thing to consider is pricing. Freshdesk's pricing is straightforward, offering a free plan with essential features and paid plans that scale as your business grows. The paid plans, however, can get pricey when you start adding more advanced features like advanced reporting or multi-product support. HubSpot Service Hub also has a free plan that includes basic help desk features, and the paid plans come with a wide range of integrations and automation tools. But as with Freshdesk, once you're ready to scale, the pricing can become quite steep. One thing to note, though, is that HubSpot's free plan has more robust features in its free tier compared to Freshdesk, especially for smaller teams. Fourth thing to consider is reporting and analytics. Freshdesk offers powerful reporting capabilities, but many users find it difficult to navigate. While it can generate detailed reports on agent performance, customer satisfaction, and ticket resolution times, it's not as user-friendly as some might expect. HubSpot Service Hub offers basic reporting and analytics, but if you need advanced reporting features, you'll have to pay for the higher tier plans. Finally, let's talk about integrations. Freshdesk offers a wide range of integrations, from CRM systems to third-party tools, allowing for a high level of customization. It works well with popular apps like Slack, Jira, and Zendesk. HubSpot Service Hub, being a part of the HubSpot ecosystem, naturally integrates best with its own CRM, marketing, and sales tools. This can be an advantage if you're already using HubSpot, but if you use other tools, the integrations may not be as robust. Now, while both Freshdesk and HubSpot Service Hub have their strengths, they do come with their own limitations. After trying both platforms extensively, I have to say that if you want a solution that's easier to scale with advanced automation, integrations, and intuitive reporting, there's a better alternative out there that I highly recommend. It's the tool I personally found to be more comprehensive, more user-friendly, and more cost-effective. If you're looking for the best help desk software for your business, check out the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out!